Little Mouse Pip felt the evening getting dark and a little bit spooky. Pip wished Pip had a small, gentle light to make the path feel cozy. Mama Mouse Mabel was gathering soft moss for the nest. Mabel saw Pip looking a little worried as the shadows grew long. Mabel nudged Pip gently with Mabel's nose. Mabel said Mabel knew how to make a gentle light to chase away the shadows. Mabel had found a rectangular piece of sturdy paper. Mabel said they could make a paper lantern. A paper lantern could hold a soft glow and make things feel safe and warm, Mabel explained softly. Pip's ears perked up with hope. How could paper make light feel cozy? Mabel showed Pip the rectangular paper. First, fold the paper in half lengthwise, then unfold, Mabel instructed calmly. This made a crease down the middle. Now, keeping the paper folded, cut straight lines from the folded edge towards the open edge, stopping about an inch from the open edge, Mabel guided. Cut many lines, close together, all along the folded edge. Pip watched as the paper became like a fringe. Unfold the paper, Mabel showed. It was covered in little cut slits. Now, bring the two short edges of the paper together, forming a tube shape, Mabel said. Use a tiny bit of sticky sap to join the edges neatly. This made a cylinder with the cut slits going all around it. Almost done. We need a top and a handle, Mabel whispered. Mabel found two thin strips of paper. Glue one strip around the top edge of the cylinder to make a rim, Mabel demonstrated. Glue the other strip across the top as a handle. And there it was. A simple paper lantern. It had many little windows created by the cuts. Mabel carefully placed a small, safe glowing berry inside the paper lantern. The berry gave off a soft, warm light. The light shone through the little cut windows of the paper lantern. It cast gentle patterns of light and shadow on the ground. Pip held the handle of the paper lantern. It felt warm and comforting. The path ahead didn't seem so spooky anymore. The paper lantern gave off just enough light to see the way. Making the paper lantern with Mabel felt safe and loving. Learning how to create light from paper and a simple berry was wonderful. And having the soft glow nearby made the evening feel cozy. The paper lantern hung gently from Pip's paw, a beacon of warmth and comfort. Maybe you can try folding a paper lantern too. Imagine a soft light glowing inside as you fold. Close your eyes now, and perhaps you can dream of gentle lights and cozy paths. Sweet dreams, little one, and remember that even a simple paper craft can bring light and comfort when you need it. If you liked this story, please give us a like and subscribe for more gentle adventures. Tell us in the comments what you would use your paper lantern for.